This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with an 8x8 by 2 inch canvas. And I'll set my timer. And I have some paint that somebody gave me. It's not perfect, but I fished out the problem areas, and now I'm going to just use colors I like. I just made this Snapdragon. It's made with vivid enamel and some Jo Sonja varnish, and it's a primary element. And I'm going to try and be a lot illogical today. I'm going to use a little bit of Sea Dancer, another primary element. I saw that thing just try and fall in there. Hopefully it didn't go. A little dry shard of paint. The bane of my existence. This is Opalite with some boysenberry that I've had kicking around for a while. I've decided I'm better at swiping than almost anything else. So I'm going to take a chance, and I'm not sure if I'm going to blow into this or not, but I'm going to use some cell activator. I just mixed up my new favorite color in the magenta family. It's Carnival. It's a primary element. Don't think I can actually get enough Carnival. I made some interference red. I think it's a Bling It. I'm hoping to put enough paint down on top here so that it spreads out the paint I've got underneath. I'm going to allow myself a little Prizm Pour. Rain Cramp. Mayan Gold. Doesn't make any sense to me what I'm doing. I'm not trying to make something attractive. I just figured the swiping will do it. I leveled my turntable to the best of my ability by putting a wedge under one side, and it seems to not be running out the back. This is Pink Diamond, another Prizm Pour. I wanted to leave a little more white negative space. So I'm going to load up a palette knife with some black first, I believe. Aussie Floetrol. About 3/4. Could be half and half for me, I think. And I've got some P.P.O. gold, iridescent gold. And I'm going to also use, some white, Amsterdam white. Just going to not waste any of my paint at all. And I think I'm going to put that right into the bucket. Now I've got a pour-off tray, and I didn't think I was going to use it, but I'm inclined to do so because I'm going to pour off. Do I want to do anything to this first? I really like it just the way it is, so I'm not compelled to do anything to it. Which is too bad. I always feel bad when I see a beautiful design and then I can't keep it. I'm going to wish I could have kept some of that blue. And I love the cells. I liked it the way it was. I'm pretty sure I'll like it the rest of the way too, but there's no way to control that in my limited understanding. I was going to spin it out. I don't know that I will. I'm going to run out of sides to hold onto things. I'm going to let all of that go back right down there. and move it over. And I've got paint to touch things up. This could be just really fast and really simple. Well, simple is a relative term in this case. Blooms aren't simple for me. But I like what I've got. And I know I can fit this painting right across my turntable, which means I can grab one of my little acetate tools and some of the paint and fix it up. I think I'm just going to decide that I'm happy with what I've got, to tell you the truth, and call it good. I can touch this up with black, I can see that. Everything else is actually pretty well covered. So, what should I tell you? Please share my videos. That was unbelievably quick. And I've got a 16-inch canvas coming up, so that ought to be really interesting. I love the colors so much, it doesn't matter to me right now if I do any fancy frou-frou wrecking or spiraling or anything else. I think it's just perfect, just as it is. So I'm going to tell you guys I love you and that I have 2,600 videos as I touch up my edge with paint that's perfectly suited to do so. I'm going to look for any bubbles. I'm probably going to try and shimmer that at you. I want to make sure I have an opportunity while I'm here. There isn't much uncovered on the 2-inch sides, which is pretty amazing. And I'm going to let myself believe that my paint is thin enough. There's GAC 800 by Golden in all of my colors. That's me rinsing my fingers off. I'm going to grab myself a skewer, hopefully. Not very pointy. And my phone, which I really thought had the flashlight ready and waiting to go. But it's not any big deal. Turn off this light. Turn on that light. Oh, that's beautiful. It's kind of simple compared to what people are doing nowadays, but I don't think I care because it's just really pretty colors. I love my color choices. And I love you guys too. Please give me a thumbs up. I think I asked for that already. I do sell my artwork. And if you would like to reach me, my email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. I wish I could be up here and down there at the same time and see if anything is shimmering at you the way it's supposed to. My link tree has Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Groups, my Facebook group for students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery totes, and more. We'll show you the stuff on pixels.com, Fine Art America, Society 6, Society 6, brain cramp. They're not written down over there, I can't cheat. Anyway, let's move on to my community board where you can find tomorrow's video most days. Thank you for the wonderful kind words and compliments and comments that keep my morale boosted. I wish I could keep this on. I want to move that so it's not being overshadowed by the nasty background, but I don't think that the silicone matte is going to be any better, to tell you the truth. I wanted to make sure you guys know I love you and you inspire the heck out of me, and I'm so happy that you're here. And if you want to be here again, or you need a playlist, just ask me. Oh, it's going to keep spinning. I have, on the 2,600 videos, I have playlists, all playlists, created playlists is the order to find them on my YouTube channel. And you can ask me. Boy, I'm all messed up. I do give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. My paint pouring recipes are underneath the video. That should help. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. I do post at 3:15 Eastern Standard Time, at least currently. That could change anytime because I don't get the views I deserve. I keep thinking I'd better time. So check out my Amazon link and you'll find my 2 books there. Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities are the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. And there are 4 lists of tools and toys and cameras and paints and canvases and sticks and stirrers and silicone bowls and torches and you name it, it's there if you want to check it out. Underneath the video, spring clothing, affiliated with YouTube somewhat, and if you want to see something that I have created, added to spring clothing or Pinterest or Instagram, excuse me, back up the truck, Chuck, added to pixels.com or Fine Art America or Society 6 or Legalerist clothing, which is worth seeing. Society 6 and Legalerist don't get the attention they deserve by any stretch of the imagination. I tried to become an affiliate. And speaking of affiliates, I'm an affiliate of Colour Arte, and there's a 20% off coupon code underneath the video. So any shopping you do will eventually accumulate to a point where it might help me out to buy some art supplies. And if you're not interested in waiting that long and you want to help me now, PayPal is the icon on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, and your donations are appreciated, and that makes you automatically a producer here if you make a donation. So thank you for those of you who have been using the super thanks, and I hope you come again. I'll see you anon. I talk too much. Bye for now. Priscilla out.